We are pleased to show you the 2011 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: powered driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual airbags, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, cruise control. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.